Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Uh,
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
we want to show our presentation about retail sales analysis using linear and logistic regression algorithms to support business strategies. And in this presentation will be presented by me. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Kula and my friend Andi Setiawan and Ahmad Harlan. Okay, next slide. So why is this research important? So because the retail business face increasing challenges in understanding customer behavior and improving sales performance. While they collect vast amounts of transactional data, much of it remains underutilized due to a lack of appropriate analytical tools. The main challenge lies in accurately predicting daily sales and identifying which factors, such as discounts or promotion, have the most significant impact on the sales. So the data set description used in this research compre- comprises transactional retail data collected from multiple stores. It included various factors such as independent variables that influence sales performance and outcomes, or dependent variables that represent sales success. So for the independent variables, there are the key factors analyzed in the study. So the first is product category, types of items sold, such as clothing or electronics and etc. And then second is discounts, the percentage reduction offered to customers. And then third is promotion, which is specific marketing campaigns or sales events. And the fourth is day of the week, whether sales occurred on a weekdays or weekend. And then the fifth is external factors such as influence, such as store location or weather conditions. And then for the dependent variables, there are two key factors that analyzed in the study, which is the first is total daily sales, a continuous variable used for prediction in linear regression. And then the second is sales category of how high and low, a binary variable used for classification in logistic regression, with high representing sales above the median and low representing sales below it. Okay, um there are four research methodology. So the first is data collection, which is transactional data was gathered from retail stores, focusing on variables like product category, discounts, and promotions. The data sets was reviewed to ensure its relevance and completeness. And then the second is data cleaning and processing, which is the collected data was cleaned to remove inconsistencies such as missing values and duplicates. Categorical variables like product category were transformed into numerical formats using encoding techniques to make them suitable for regression analysis. And then finally, normalization was applied to align variable scales and avoid bias caused by outliers. And then the third is model implementation. There are two model implementation, which is linear regression. This model was employed to predict total sales values based on independent variables. For instance, it analyzed how a 20% discount impacts sales volume. And then the second is logistic regression. This model classified daily sales into high or low categories. It provides insights into whether sales on a given day would exceed or fall below the median, helping businesses identify underperforming periods. And then the fourth and the last is model evaluation. So for the linear regression was evaluated using mean squared error or MSE, a metric that measures the accuracy of predictions. And then the second is logistic regression was assessed using a confusing matrix which detailed the model's classification accuracy, include false positives and false negatives. So those are the research methodology. And the next slide will be presented by Andy.
Okay, thank you, Hafiz. Next, resolve the linear regression. Performance of linear regression. The linear regression model yielded an MSE of 2146, indicating that it's the effective in the prediction total sales with relatively low error. The model relieved that key factors such as discount, promotion, and the product categories significantly influence total sales. For example, larger discount and target promotion were associated with higher sales volumes. Visualization and impression, a scatter plot compared preceded sales value against actual sales. Most data point were clustered near the diagonal line, suggesting that the model's prediction were closely aligned with the actual sales figure. This visualization undergoes the model's reliability in the identifying patterns and the initialized data. Next. Uh, Result logistic regression. Performance of the logistic regression, the logistic preparation model achieved and accuracy of the 93%, demonstrating its ability to classify cells as high of low with a high degree of the precision. The conversion metric showed that the model correctly identified most increase of the height of the low cells with the minimal false positive, incorrectly predicting high sales, and false negative, incorrectly predicting low sales. Its sake and the application. The models was the practically effective in the identifying underperforming stories of the periods. For example, in the Hicklick that which they were like experience low sales, allowing managers to take protective measures such as increasing promotion or adjusting store operation. Next, linear regression analysis. The scatter plot in illustration illustration among blue dots represent actual data, while the red regression lines show a weak positive correction, indicating that higher quantities generally led the increased sales. The high variance in sales for low quantities again other factor like pricing or the discount play a role. This highlight that while linear regression offer basic insight, it may not capture more complex pattern is in data. Next, logistic regression model results. The graph comprises actual sales data with the prediction from a logistic regression model. Green dot represent the actual data, while orange dash line show the models. predicted probabilities, the model aimed to map the relationship between the quantity of the good and the likelihood of high sales. With closer assignment between the orange lines dot indicating a more accurate prediction. Next present by Ahmad Arlan.
Okay, thank you, Andi. The share of linear and logistic regression modes. Nah, di sini. Linear regression, the mode has I mean square error misses of 306380 and estimate low the square error of 0018 in sitter for performance in prediction sales and example inferences in the data logistic regression which an accuracy of 74 12%. The model is moderate abstention is classifying sales by so I Higgs number of files exhibition 6796 missing my successful sales I reflected in the confusion matrix. Next slide. This implementation businesses operation of the modules linear regression helps businesses understand how key factor like disclosure and information community really impact sales. For example, manager can and determine how much that will increase which is within this growth or promotion. Logistic regulation on the other hand, in distinct predation or store the area leaks you underperform, enabling Forrestin intervention to enforce sales. Next slide. Final condition KTXW, the student demonstrate the expression of regression algorithm in Reuters analytic. Linear regression is a powerful tool for predicting slab value, which logistic regression excellence in classing sales perform. Toxter this model profit actionable in sin the as enable resident business to efficient start and improve decision making. Further research can find on interesting more complex variable and algorithm to partner refine prediction and classification. Next, please.
Okay, thank you so much for all of my friends that have presented the material about regression model on retail stores data. Thank you so much for all of your attention, and we'll be closing this presentation with salam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.